Welcome to Edward's Greenhouse. Today we're making seed bombs. If you'd like to purchase a kit for this class, visit the link in the description. Let's get started and unpack your kit. First, you'll find a pack of seeds. The seeds we've included are a blend of wildflowers native to the Pacific Northwest. There's California poppies, coreopsis, German phlox, gulardia, lupines, and others. Some are annuals and some are perennials in our zone. They all love sun. In your kit, you'll also find a container of air-dried clay. And the soil. You'll probably only need about a quarter cup of soil, but we've included a half cup in your kit just in case. You'll also need a couple supplies from home, a mixing bowl and about an 1/8 cup of water. In the mixing bowl, add in the soil and the clay. Break the clay up into smaller pieces so that it's easier to work with. Slowly add in a little bit of water and start to mix. Be prepared for messy hands. As for consistency, it is a bit up to user preference. You do want it to remain nice and malleable, like the clay itself, so that it can be shaped. And the soil, of course, helps to feed the seeds once they are in the ground. Aim for a ratio of about 3/4 clay to 1/4 soil. You can add in a bit more water if needed for mixing. We've broken our mixture up into 4 small portions to make 4 small seed bombs, but you can divide it however you'd like. You can even make 1 large seed bomb if you'd prefer. Now we're ready to start adding the seeds. There are a few different methods you could use for adding the seed. We'll show you 3 options. One way to add the seed is to take a bit into your hand and roll the seed bomb around so that they are kind of planted on the outside. Shape it into a ball and set that aside to dry. Another way to add the seeds into the seed bombs is to use your fingernail or a pen to poke holes into the ball of soil and clay. Then, place a few seeds into each hole. And the final way to add the seeds is simple. Just dump the seeds into the bowl and smash the clay and soil into the seeds to combine everything together. You'll want to let your seed bombs completely dry for 2 to 3 days before planting for best results. After they've dried, you can either wait until spring to plant them or plant them now. All of the seeds included in the blend are native so they can cold stratify. They won't be upset if you let them out in the winter. And there you have it! Fun little seed bombs that are ready to plant by throwing them into any corner of your yard. We hope you enjoyed this fall craft. Be sure to check out the other DIY demos on our website. We'll be releasing a new craft all autumn long. Thanks for joining us!